2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome redefines the meaning of luxury travel, blending the unmatched prestige of the Rolls Royce name with the freedom and versatility of a motorhome. This groundbreaking vehicle is designed for those who desire the elegance and refinement of a Rolls Royce but also seek adventure on the open road without compromising on comfort or sophistication. Every detail of the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome reflects meticulous craftsmanship, advanced technology, and the promise of a travel experience unlike anything else in its class. From the outside, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome makes an immediate impression. The iconic Rolls Royce grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that embody the modern yet timeless design language of the brand. The long, flowing body is sculpted for both elegance and aerodynamics, while chrome accents and polished surfaces reflect the unmistakable presence of a vehicle crafted for royalty. Large panoramic windows line the sides, offering breathtaking views for passengers while traveling through scenic routes. The motorhome's proportions are vast yet balanced, ensuring that its sheer size carries an air of sophistication rather than intimidation. Distinctive two-tone paint finishes and customizable exterior colors further allow owners to personalize their motorhome to reflect their unique taste. Step inside, and the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome feels more like a rolling palace than a recreational vehicle. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to exquisite wood veneers and brushed metal accents. Rolls-Royce has reimagined what a motorhome interior can be by combining the design philosophies of its luxury sedans with the spaciousness of a mobile living environment. Plush lounge seating welcomes passengers into the main living area, with configurable layouts that can include sofas, recliners, or even bespoke furniture designed to meet the owner's preferences. Ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, whether for relaxation or entertaining guests. The motorhome features a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. Surfaces are crafted from marble-inspired composites, and smart storage solutions ensure practicality without compromising elegance. The dining space can seat multiple guests comfortably, and with retractable tables and versatile layouts, it easily adapts from a formal dinner setting to a casual family meal. The bedroom suite is a highlight of the interior, offering a king-size bed with memory foam and climate-controlled features. Upholstered walls, soft carpeting, and ceiling-mounted starlight effects echo the signature Rolls-Royce ambience, making every night on the road feel like a stay in a five-star hotel. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, ensuring convenience and entertainment are always at hand. The dashboard integrates a digital cockpit with Rolls-Royce's latest infotainment system, featuring a curved display, wireless connectivity, satellite navigation, and artificial intelligence-powered voice assistance. Passengers enjoy multiple entertainment options with large OLED screens, premium surround sound systems, and streaming capabilities. Smart home-style integration allows occupants to control lighting, climate, and security features through touch screens or voice commands. Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that no matter where the motorhome travels, passengers remain connected to the digital world. Performance has not been overlooked despite the vehicle's large proportions. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a robust hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V12 engine with electric motors, delivering both effortless power and efficiency. Smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and adaptive suspension ensure that the motorhome glides along the road in true Rolls-Royce fashion. Advanced air suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing unmatched comfort for passengers. Driving assistance technologies such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and automated parking enhance safety and ease of operation for the driver. Storage and practicality are cleverly integrated into the design. Expansive underfloor compartments and hidden storage areas provide room for luggage, outdoor equipment, and travel essentials. An extendable side section transforms into a lounge or patio area, complete with retractable awnings and outdoor seating, creating a luxurious open-air environment when the motorhome is parked. Solar panels on the roof assist in powering onboard electronics, while advanced battery management systems ensure energy efficiency during long journeys. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is not only about travel but about redefining the journey itself. It provides a sanctuary on wheels, blending the unmatched legacy of Rolls Royce with the needs of modern adventurers who refuse to compromise on style, comfort, or technology. It caters to both long-distance expeditions and weekend escapes, making every road trip an unforgettable experience of elegance and innovation. For those seeking the ultimate expression of automotive luxury and freedom, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is in a class of its own. It is more than a vehicle, it is a statement of lifestyle, offering a unique way to experience the world with sophistication and grace. If you enjoyed exploring the details of this extraordinary vehicle, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at the latest cars, SUVs, and motorhomes shaping the future of driving. This is Willsplorer, your trusted source for automotive discoveries, expert insights, and the most exciting updates from the world of vehicles.